To the frat house.
Yes, I am. I am going to the frat house. You guys need a ride? You guys need a ride? I can drive you, like I said. Yeah. I can drive you. I have a car. Let me drive you.
That's what we need.
This
we need a
car. Okay.
Whoa.
Calm down, Uber. Fam, he's not about that life.
What?
And now I'm not about to put him in danger like that.
Uh-oh. All right, I heard the red flag. You said danger?
Yeah, don't even worry about that. But he already agreed to it, so we
Nah,
cool.
man, I can't do it, dog. I cannot risk the chance of him getting beat to death, shot, or potentially thrown in jail.
No,
Beat, shot in jail. I'm
hold
sorry.
on.
What are y'all niggas up to?
Randall,
No, I feel like I might want to pull back.
You already agreed to it. So
I might want to renege. I don't know.
Let's go ahead and go. Let's roll.
No, guys, come on. You said danger. He said danger. I'm almost positive that's not a positive word.
That's what I came to do.